Hello guys, welcome to this video and it's great to see you guys here. And in this video we're gonna talk about 3 apps that pay you money. So there will be no surveys out there. So guys, watch this video till the end and I'm gonna give you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you found out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing and it's totally worldwide. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. Guys, the people who have gone through the system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So guys, let's jump onto this video. So guys, the first website we're gonna look at is called offerup.com. So you can visit by directly offerup.com and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can go from there guys. So basically this is a great way for you guys to sell your junk basically in your garage, whatever it is. So it's a great way just to kind of purge everything, consolidate and get rid of the stuff. So you can list item just like you would list item on Craigslist. So your buyers have a profile so you can check out. And so plus if you don't want to meet up with stranger guys, what you can do is you can actually ship the item to them instead of contacting them. And you guys can pay it through PayPal. So it's pretty cool concept guys. And yes, you can also do this nationwide. So it's not just around in your local area. So guys, the app is available both on Android and Apple devices. So guys, go ahead and check it out and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video so you can find out all the details here. So guys, go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so the next app is we're gonna look at website is called truenow.com. So I don't know about you guys, but the gas prices seems to be going up. Alright, so how would you like to earn cash every time you buy gas? TrueNow is a money app guys. Is a money saving app guys for the iOS and Android devices. So it's not only find you the lower per gallon gas prices near you, but it also give you cashback on the gas purchases from the partner gas station. Okay, so if you come down here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here you can find deals near your gas station. So what you can do, you can enter your zip code here and it's going to tell you the gas station that are near you and that are partnered with the app. So what it's going to do, it's gonna tell you the lowest gas prices that are around in the proximity of where you are in the city. So that's really cool guys and it's pretty unique idea. So you'll get about 2% cash back on all the gas that you spend using this app. And once you earn $5 or more, you guys can simply just request to cash out with PayPal. So guys, go ahead and check it out. You can find out all the details here and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can go from there. Okay guys, so let's talk about our last website. So the last website we're gonna talk about today is called SkeetedApp.com. So you can directly visit by Seated app, and this is an app guys. Sometimes we don't always have a time to make food at home, and instead we will just go out there and just grab something. Well, if you eat once in a while just like us, how would you like to get paid for doing that? Well, this app right here will pay you between $15 all the way up to $50 in a gift card every time you dine out, and this is for participating in restaurants. Okay, now you might kind of say to yourself, okay, well, what's the catch behind that? And the guys, truth is that there is no catch. Okay, so first what you do is going to book a table at a restaurant and then you are going to show up. And then you're going to eat your food and you're gonna pay for it. Then you will earn your reward. Alright, So it's gonna look something like this, and it's currently over 2000 restaurants are supported with this app, guys, and it's growing every single day. So you guys might want to check it out, guys. It's overseatedapp.com, and I leave a link below in the description of this video, guys, so you can go from there. So guys, these are the 3 websites we're gonna look at today. So go ahead and join and start making money. But guys, what if I tell you there is an easy way you can start? So if you want to make $100 a day online, and this is what I am doing, and it's totally worldwide, guys. So click the first link in the description of this video, and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through this system now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, and I will share with you more information about that. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do, because right now I'm providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Have a great day.